which is a very, very powerful cabinet position, wala po rin siyang mga nakitang ebidensya. At hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin po ang sinasabi niya, wala pa rin gustong mag-testify, wala pa rin siyang kinakasuhan. So I think that is a matter of incompetence, Mr. Chair.
I take
Thank you.
Mr.
strong
Chair,
exception to that,
can
Your Honor.
Okay, to be fair, sige. The chair will be fair. Excuse me, everybody, Mr. President, teka muna. Sige,
Hindi ko po
yes,
nagustuhan.
Senator De Lima, sige,
Thank you.
short lang, short.
Hindi
sige,
ko po
response.
nagustuhan yung ganung conclusion na
Okay.
wala akong ginawa o that incompetent. Malayo pong description sa akin yan. I always do my job. Depende sa mga circumstances. Depende rin sa kung ano talaga yung makakalap